my name is Eleni. I'm the manager of our Woodlands Arthritis Knee Pain Centers, and I want to invite you to come on in. Over here we have our front desk area. Right over here we have our exam room, where we'll be doing the physical exam, medical history, and all preliminary information. This is our x-ray room, where our provider will go ahead and take x-rays and see if you're a candidate for the treatment we offer. We have our DME room, where we do off-the-shelf and custom knee braces for patients who have osteoarthritis. This is our first treatment room, where our doctor uses fluoroscopic guided images to do the injections and ensure that the medication goes where it will give you the most relief. Right here we have one of our waiting rooms. This is a space where we're able to perform genicular artery embolizations, or GAE, for patients who have residual knee pain. This is our second treatment room, where we're able to accommodate more patients. So if you're having knee pain, please give us a call or go to our website and we can schedule you for your no-charge knee screening. We can probably help you.